This is our welcome drinks. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah, actually I checked in online.
Okay. Okay. I think visitor just signature only lah.
Yeah.
Tu okey, dia tak kacau.
Oh, very steep.
Ya. But kalau yang dah sekeliling yang hitam tu, yang lutung tu,
It's so steep.
kalau tengok dia kat atas pokok Cik Alibah, hati-hati sebab dia suka buang air besar.
Alamak.
Sebab pernah 2 kali nak kena saya.
Huh? Farman, you don't understand, right?
About monkey, you are
The
talking.
monkey
Yeah?
will shit on you.
Ya,
Wow.
just be careful.
Then if you take photo, dia tak
Alah.
okay, dia tak snatch
tak.
kamera.
Tak. Just kalau bawa plastik bag, dia fikir ada makanan, so dia akan datang lah.
Oh, betul punya atas
Si bilik dekat bawah dia. Just saya buat tour dulu lah.
Oh.
Okay, yang atas ni kita punya bilik suite yang ada 3 bilik kat atas ni. So ini last bilik lah Cik Alibah.
Ni yang ada bathtub kat
Ya,
dalam tu.
betul.
Yes, we are going to stay in this hotel room. It's kinda not hot room. It's a accommodation. Yeah, this is a welcome fruits and some snacks for us. So actually 3 floors. So this one is a kind of kitchen area here to sit, to chill out. View to the rainforest and view to the sea. Amazing. Yep. Welcome drinks. Those are all free, included to the price, hotel price. And again, welcome drinks. And this one for our mommy. Yes, I love you, mama. Okay, this one all free for us. Okay. Nice picture on the wall. Mirror. Mommy going to stay there.
Ma, how?
We are going to stay
Hey, you know what? Actually,
in the second floor. I love this floor. Wow. When you enter. Wow. 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 Actually, we gave this room for mommy. So as you see, there's I love mama, but I think so she cannot come up for her better to go down. Yes. So this is why I'm going to use this room. Okay, the small balcony with one chair. Okay, nice view. The rainforest. Wow. Yeah. And some place to sit and to chill here. As a sofa in front of what? As a sofa in front of the window. Yeah. Shower room is here. Towels. Okay. Nice. Okay. Tea time. Tea time. So jasmine green tea we prefer. They have some black English tea, the coffee also. So I will try this coffee. I think it's a local Langkawi coffee. Yeah, but for the mommy, my wife, I will make this green jasmine tea. Okay, I'm sitting here enjoying the time. Nice. I made a tea for mommy, and the mommy start to explain to me where we are on the map. Okay,
Okay, we are now in Langkawi.
in Langkawi.
Yeah, Langkawi is an island,
Uh-huh.
and it's near to Kedah. Kedah is a
Kedah.
state, one of the state of Malaysia,
Uh-huh.
and Perlis also is another state in Malaysia. And these are all of the border for Thailand. I mean,
Wow.
we are Thailand border.
Thailand
Yeah,
border.
near Thailand border.
Okay.
And then this is Penang.
Uh-huh.
Penang is another island.
But a little bit far from
yeah,
here, yeah?
it belong to Malaysia.
Also.
And then these are the state. This is the east side of Malaysia.
Uh-huh.
The east side now having monsoon season, and there are flooding area around here.
Oh.
And down here is the Selangor. Capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. This is Kuala Lumpur.
Okay.
And Farman been to Malacca.
Yes. I visit Malacca.
Yeah.
Johor Bahru.
Johor Bahru.
Yeah.
And this is Singapore.
Yes.
Our house is here.
Yes.
Yeah, lovely Singapore.
Yeah.
We are so
Thank
small
you.
compared to Malaysia.
Even Singapore and Langkawi around the same size.
Yeah, I made a coffee for myself and decided to go out. Wow, it's really rainforest. Huh? Look at here. Some stairs to go down. And villas next to each other. Very calming place. Yeah. Actually, from reception to come to the bungalows, you need to walk, or better way to take a vehicle, which provided by the hotel. It's free, and you are going to stay in this kind of villas. So this is where I'm staying now. This is second floor. This one is second floor, last floor, and the one floor down. All of them they're facing to sea. Yeah. And next to each other there's some more, and all this way there's a lot this kind of rooms, let's say like that, and located in the jungle. In the jungle. Wow. I love this place. Even from the hotel room window, they're possible to see the monkeys. They are everywhere. They are really everywhere. And the sea view. The monkey in front of the window here. Look at here. Sitting on the tree. And he's with the, she is actually with the baby. Look at her. Yeah. Wow. Kissing, cleaning her baby. Wow.
Monkey still there?
Yeah. Yeah. Mommy monkey collecting the seeds from the tree, and the baby just follows the mommy. Okay. Really, we are in a jungle, huh?